There was a huge blue bug on her arm.
There was.
I should have screamed like crazy.
Sitting by Dingleberry.
No,
Do you know what that is?
Okay, watch me. I'm going to... We're gonna all be quiet, and then I'm gonna scream at the bird, make like a bird sound. I can't do it very well, but and then it's gonna call back.
And it's over here.
That's that sound.
Up there in that nest right there.
See?
Nice.
Did it just fly down? That's so scary.
That was pretty good, actually.
You guys
That
are
was better than
wacko.
You're wacko.
We are wacko. Seriously, we are wacko.
We are crazy people.
Insane in the membrane. Excuse me?
Hey, it's
What's wrong with my shirt?
Don't do that. Oh my God.
It has to be clean.
And virtuous. Like a virtuous young woman that you are.
Did you shoot?
What? Remember Haley? Remember Haley? Remember?
Do you like milk or cookies or cookies and milk?
Cookies and milk.
Look at your shirt from down there.
Oh, look, there's Haley's shirt. And there's our feet.
She's naked right now.
Yeah, she's naked. Let me see. You guys want to see? You guys want to see her naked?
No,
Just kidding.
show her face.
There's her shoes.
She's running across the river naked.
Yeah, she's running across the river. She's running across the river naked.
You should film a video.
Wait, it's not even taping?
Look at the big.
No, it is.
Oh, it is?
Here, let's stop it.
Yeah.